Everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to connect the Tonkeeper wallet with your major application. All you have to do is to go and tap on your profile option. Once you do it, you will see that there is a wallet option over right here. Just tap on it. Once you do it, you will see plenty of wallets in here. Just tap on Tonkeeper wallet. So once you do it, it will redirect you to the Tonkeeper application. So here all you have to do is to approve the connection between the Tonkeeper wallet and the major application. Once you do it, the wallet will be connected to your application. Just wait a second till the application boots up and I'll show you how to do it. So here you will see that the connect wallet option has appeared. Just go and tap on connect wallet option and verify your identity using your fingerprint, or you can use your face ID as well. So here you can see that the wallet has now been attached to the major application. Let me go and check it. So here, go back to your profile, then you will see that the wallet receiving address is showing right next to the wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.